Hello, everyone. Before I begin, I would like to thank the organizer of this event. I'm honored to present to you today essential of the results of my work entitled Measuring the Quality of Life of Diabetes by the International Scale of SF36. I will start by with an introduction. In which I will return to some generality and epidemiology of diabetes. Then I will focus on methodology and results. Finally, I will end with a small conclusion. Yes, diabetes is an insidious and progressive chronic metabolic disease. It is confirming if fasting blood sugar is greater than or equal to 1.26 grams per liter. It is a multifactorial disease manifest in different forms. The most frequent insulin-dependent or type 1 diabetes, or no insulin dependent or type 2 diabetes. The appearance and development of diabetes depend on several factors. No modifiable factors such as age, gender, genetic predisposition, and modifiable factor such as sedentary lifestyle, smoking, overweight, and obesity. Globally, 463 million people have diabetes in the world. In Morocco, the situation is alarming. More than 2 million people are diabetic. And hyperglycemia is the cause of several complications related to diabetes, comme stroke, amputation of the lower limbs, kidney and kidney failure. This impairs the quality of life in the patient on the physical, psychical, and emotional level. This is why quality of life has become an important element in the care of the patient. Quality of life is the state of well-being, physical, psychological, and social. Several measuring instruments can be used for quality of life assessment. There are two types of instruments specific to a disease or generic, whatever the disease. The SF36 questionnaire is generic. It includes 36 items that are divided into 8 dimensions. They are used to calculate two other scores, physical component summary and mental component summary. Our aim is to assess the quality of diabetic patient through the SF36 scale and to measure the impact of different parameters related to diabetic disease. Regarding to adaptation of the questionnaire, we have made two translations of this scale of French language to Moroccan Arabic dialect by two teams of translators. The elaborates a new version of the SF36 was then counter-translated by two teams who were fluent in the French language and did not know the original version of the scale. The pre-final version of the SF36 was validated on a group of selected diabetic patients of different age group and different intellectual level. After this pre-test, changes were made to the pre-final version, after which the final version was worked out. We realized a descriptive cross-sectional study on a Moroccan diabetic population consisting of 526 people. Statistical analysis was carried out by SPSys 23 software. The score of each demotion for SF36 varies from 0 to 100. Score of 100 indicates a good lifestyle. On the other hand, a score to 0 indicates a poor lifestyle. The study was approved by the ethic committees of Marrakesh and Casablanca, Morocco. Well, for results, this table shows that our population generally has an average quality of life. The association study showed that PCS, or physical component score, was associated with the gender, with the with professional activity, smoking, and was also associated with marital status and with a chronic complication. Moreover, the PCS and the MCS of diabetic were associated with the physical activity and acute complication, and with the education level. The correlation study generally show an inverse correlation between PCS and age, the duration of diabetes, blood pressure, and glycated hemoglobin. Therefore, the more this parameter increase, the more the physical health deteriorates. In contrast, for MCS, we found only the correlation with the blood pressure and BM. Along with the statistical tools, lifestyle assessment tools make it possible to understand and highlight the factors influencing this parameter and help to take the appropriate corrective measure. Our study showed that our diabetic patients have an average lifestyle by considering both MCS and PCS scores of on SF36. The results are consistent with those of Abu Atman in Marrakesh, Morocco, and but it is slightly lower than in other population, example in France, in Greece, and in Sweden. The factor that significantly decrease the quality of life of our population are women, advanced age, physical inactivity, low level of education, duration of diabetes, glycemic imbalance, and complication. So Training physician must therefore take all these factors into account so that they can improve the care of their patients and achieve better control of their diabetes and promote a better lifestyle by creating care and rehabilitation services that are still scarce in Morocco. And thank you for your attention.